Africans have been so conditioned to thinking that the only way they can get ahead in life financially in the land of green is by doing 2 to 3 or multiple jobs and multiple shifts. Guys, we need to wake up. We are giants. It is not by doing multiple jobs or multiple shifts. It is by having multiple businesses that can yield passive income for you. Businesses that can yield passive profits for you. When we go to the land of green, you find a lot of Africans doing multiple jobs. Even if they have good paying jobs, they still do multiple jobs of it. You see IT personnel, you see them doing multiple jobs just because they want to live this Greenland life. When you can have your 9 to 5 and then begin to build a sustainable business that doesn't need your physical input day in, day out by the side. See, if you're looking for a legitimate business that you can start right now from the comfort of your home without having to be physically present all the time, you have come to the right place. You are hearing me. This is God sent ad for you. Couple of months ago, I came across an ad that totally switched it up for me. I know when we all travel abroad, we want to scale up legitimately. We want to scale up as much as we can. We want to build mansions. We want to do so many things. But I kid you not, we are damaging our health by doing multiple jobs and multiple shifts. And then you will hear people say, oh, the IT space, they said is oversaturated. Because what? One person is doing 5 IT jobs. One person is doing 5 nursing jobs. Come on, guys. See, click on my Learn More button and let us show you what other people like you and I have been doing to scale up legitimately without having to be physically present. What someone like you and I has been doing to buy off houses in less than 2 years, all mortgage paid free. Not like you or your friends that buy mortgages and throw parties. Meanwhile, you're still paying your mortgage. There is a business that you can do that can help you pay off that mortgage in less than 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Let me show you what an African lady like you and I did that now she's currently receiving $5,000 every month for life. That is the kind of business I'm telling you about. Let me show you the kind of business that you can do that can enable you retire in no time, in less than 5 years, 6 years, and be comfortable financially. Not just retire and then you'll be waiting for your children before you eat or buy the things that you love. Guys, let's wake up. This business is an online business and we have a free webinar that is coming to you live, or you can watch a replay. And when I say it's coming to you live and free, it doesn't mean that it's just free. It is free because someone else has paid with their sweat, their time, their energy and effort so that you and I can be liberated. You and I can be informed, and you and I can take the right decisions in the land of green. Come on, guys. Back home, we only do 1 job and we do several businesses. We come to the land of green and they supply us with the amenities like road and light. And then what the next thing in our mind is to start doing multiple jobs. When you can do multiple businesses, invest in a business, in a solid business that will cater for you in your old age. And that is why I'm inviting you to this free webinar. This business is like an affiliate marketing where you don't do the selling. The system does everything for you. The heavy lifting has been done. There is free training. So don't worry if you think you are not tech savvy. If you think, oh, you are not on social media. But then you go to social media and be putting money in other people's account. Wake up from your slumber. It's time for you to start putting that incredible income in your own account as well, using social media, using AI to make incredible income, guys. Register with your name and your email address, and I'm going to send you a link to a free webinar that you can watch. The same webinar that I watched that changed everything for me. See, there is no scam anywhere. You are the only one scamming yourself. Of not availing yourself of the information, you are scamming yourself. It seems like the old world has moved ahead, but you are stuck in that same thinking, that same mentality. Wake up from your slumber. The world has moved. The world has moved and it keeps moving. Click on my Learn More button. If you want to have a chat with me, click on my Learn More button, register first, then I'll send you my number so that we can have a chat if you have questions. But I'm not going to stay here and watch my brothers and sisters keep slaving away. We have to do the right thing now. We have to start earning together online. We have to use this digital space to our own advantage. See you on the inside.